Namaste children. Have you all completed first lesson in classwork children? That is introduction to networks lesson. Okay, good. Today I am going to start the practical session. Today you are going to learn about Alagi software. Not only that children, you are going to learn how to type in Tamil using Alagi software. Children, you know the present scenario. You cannot go anywhere. Not only school, you cannot go anywhere. From home only you have to do all the work. So, children, please download the Alagi software. How will you download? From the net you can download the Alagi software. It is a freeware. So, you can download it from internet. To download that, you have to type www.alagi.com. In this slide, I gave the website address also. So, see that and download the software children. In my machine, I already downloaded the Alagi software. So, now I am going to open the Alagi software. How to open that? In desktop, you have to click the start button. Click start button and choose Alagi software. From that Alagi folder, you can choose Alagi application. Now, the Alagi software opened. Here in the right hand side, list of set hold keys is there, no? Here they gave the all keyboard settings. That is, if you want to type in Tamil using the English keyboard, you have to select Alt plus 3. For switch over the keyboard, you have to press Alt key and number 3. In number keys, you have to press 3. Okay. I'll repeat Alt and 3. Number 3. Both key you have to press for switch over the Tamil font. If you want to type it in Hindi, also possible. In all language, you can type it in Alagi software. Here they gave the key for switch over Hindi keyboard. For switch over to Hindi, you have to press Ctrl and 1. If you want to change it in Sanskrit font, you have to press Ctrl and 2. If you want to change it in Telugu font, you have to press Ctrl and 3. Likewise, you can change the keyboard settings. If you want to type Tamil, what key you have to press? Alt. You have to hold the Alt key and then you have to press the number 3. Okay. Likewise, you can switch over the key. Then in the left hand side, you have key mappings option is there, no? Click the key mappings option. Immediately, it will open one window. In that, you have to select offline help. Okay. Press offline help. It will show the languages. In which language you want to type, that language you have to choose from that. Okay. Suppose if you want to type in Tamil, you can type it in Tamil. If you want to type in Hindi, you can choose Hindi. Now I am going to use Tamil. So, click on Tamil. Okay. If you click Tamil, it will go to the guidelines. How to type the Tamil font, it will show. Okay. For example, if you want to type Tamil A letter in English keyboard, you have to type A. To get A in Tamil, you have to type AA. Likewise, from the letter A to Akena they gave. For typing I, you have to press A and I. For typing OW, you have to press O and W. If you want to type E in Tamil, you have to press I key. You have to use the English letter I. If you want to type U, you have to type U. How to type say A to Akena they gave, no? Like that they gave Ka Nga Chanya also. Okay. Ka Nga Chanya. You know Tamil? Ka Nga Chanya. Till Na they gave. Then Ja, Sha. For that which key you have to use in English also they gave. So use these guidelines and type the Tamil font, children. Okay. க வரிசை கொடுத்துருக்க மாதிரியே கக்கா கிக்கி அதுக்கெல்லாம் என்ன லெட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுங்கிறது கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க. ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு யூஸ் தட் அண்ட் அக்கார்டிங்லி யூ ஹாவ் டு டைப் த Tamil font. Now I am going to open the Word application. Okay, you should not type it in Alagi itself. You have to type it in Word. Okay, open Word application. Here you are going to type the Tamil font. How will you type Tamil font? You have to change the keyboard setting. Okay, what is the keyboard setting key, children, to type Tamil font? Why it is coming in English? Because you didn't change the keyboard setup. For changing the keyboard setup, you have to hold the Alt key and you have to press 3. Okay, so now I changed the keyboard setup. Now I am going to type in Tamil. First I am going to type Amma. Okay, how will you type Amma? For getting A, what letter you have to press in English? A. Okay, if you want to type in, so I already show on guidelines, no, that you have to minimize. You should not close that screen. Okay, that screen only I opened now. Whatever screen you opened in Alagi software, that screen and you should not close. If you close that screen, you won't get the Tamil font here. Okay, you should not close the application. And 2 windows I opened, no, all the windows you have to minimize. Okay, then I typed here Amma. How I typed Amma? A-M-M-A. How you will type in English for Amma? Same letter you have to type. For getting Appa, A-P-P-A. For getting Anna, A-N-N-A, no. If you press N, what you are getting? Retta Chuyina. But in Tamil, you have to write Moonu Chuyi. Am I right, children? So to get Moonu Chuyina, what you have to do? You have to hold the shift key and press letter N. Then you will get Moonu Chuyina. For typing Akka, you have to press A-K-K-A. Okay, Akka, how will you pronounce in English? A-K-K-A, no? Same you have to give. Now I am going to type Tamil Nadu here. How will you type Tamil Nadu? T-A-M-I-L-N-A-D-U, Tamil Nadu spelling. Same you type. Suppose if you are not getting the translation of Tamil, go to Alagi software, see the guidelines, then use the appropriate English letter for that. See here, Nadu, how to get Nadu, Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, na, how will you get, ma? If you press N, you are getting Retta Sujina. To get na, Tamil na, you have to press N and H, both the letters. Then only in English, if you press N and H, you will get Tamil Ind. Okay, then you have to press A to remove Ind, that pulli. Okay, na, if you want to get, you have to press N and H. So far I taught Alagi software, how to download the Alagi software and how to use the Alagi software. From the English keyboard, how to type the Tamil font. Everything I told today. You have to try this in your system. Okay children, in this slide I attached practical exercises, that also you have to try it children. First download Azhagi software and then try practical exercises and then try to type Atichudi. You know Atichudi, no? In lower class already you studied in Tamil language, so that you try that. Or you can type any Tirukural also. For getting fluency in typing Tamil, you have to practice more, then only you will get the speed. Okay children, thank you children, we'll meet in next session.